Put minced meat like this on your bread and you will have the best snack of your life. Seriously, this recipe is amazing. Let's start with 300 grams of minced meat, 1 chopped onion, paprika, black pepper, curcum, salt, and oregano. And now you can use your favorite seasons, alright? Let's mix everything very well until it's all together. Now in a greased form, let's put a lot of butter and 6 slices of bread, and let's shape the bread like this on your bread. Just like this, as you can see on the video, guys. There's no secret. It's super easy to make and very delicious. Remember that it's more interesting if you put your favorite seasons here. Enjoy this moment and tell us what city you're watching this recipe from, so I can send you that special hug on the next video. After shaping all of the meat, we are going to put a little bit of oil on top of it. This part of the oil is totally optional, okay? If you want something healthier, avoid the oil. Take it to the preheated oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes or until you see that the meat is already done. Then you just have to take it out from the oven, put the mozzarella in, take it back to the oven just so the cheese can be melted. It's everything very fast and simple. And this process inside of the oven, keep an eye on it because it will depend on your oven, okay? And if you have air fryer, guys, you can use it as well because it will work and it's even more practical, alright? I prefer making it in the air fryer. And it's here, guys, a very fast snack, simple. You can replace a full meal of dinner. If you're lazy, you don't want to make dinner, you have this amazing dish, okay? Make it at your house and come and tell me what you thought about it. And if you're already used to make the bread like this, tell me down here if it's just me who discovered it just now. And this was today's dish, guys. If you're here, that's because you liked this recipe, so don't forget to rate us down here from 0 to 10. Your opinion is always very welcome for us. And the nicest thing about it is that it is super crunchy on the outside, on top of it, but the meat is super juicy. Seriously, it's amazing. Perfect match. I'm gonna leave, guys. Thank you so much and see you guys around.